Thanks for joining us for another episode of Safer in Seconds. My name is James Bailey with the Texas Municipal League Intergovernmental Risk Pool. Today we're going to be talking about mobile equipment's pre-trip inspections and the importance of them. So today I want to talk to you about the importance of pre-trip inspections. It gives you a little more longevity or life out of your piece of equipment. Also keeps you safer in seconds. So we want to talk about the oil filter, the actual oil. Make sure you're using the right viscosity. If you're using 1540 Rotella or whatever you're using, make sure the water fuel separator is checked, it's drained, especially this time of year when it's hot during the day and then it cools off at night, builds a lot of condensation in the fuel tank, that which transfers into that water fuel separator. We want to talk about the air filter. Make sure you're keeping an eye on it. If it's got an underloader valve on it, you want to make sure that you're pinching that, letting the dirt out of the underloader valve. If it's got an air restrictor indicator, make sure you're clearing that after you check that air filter. You also want to keep in mind the hydraulic oil level this time of year also. It's starting to cool off. The hotter that machine gets, obviously, it's going to fluctuate that hydraulic oil in that tank. So make sure you're checking it before your pre-trip instead of after your post-trip at the end of the day. Your levels are going to be higher. These are just some of the things that's going to keep you safer in seconds. Okay, well, obviously a topic this big is something that we can't cover in just seconds. It's a large problem that we've come across in the public sector and something we're trying to get a hold on and a handle on. Thank you for joining us, and have a great day.